Hello friends! If you want to do amazing animation like this just using your mobile, requirements: Google Drive, Google Chrome, CapCut. Open your Google Drive. Create a folder AI. Click on AI folder and create a folder in it images and models. Back to home. Open CapCut. Import your video. Adjust the video and take a screenshot of the last frame of your video and save. Go back to home. Open your Google Drive. Go to AL and Init Images and upload your screenshot image into Init Images folder. If you need to download model Rev Animated, open your Google Chrome. Search Rev Animated. Click on the first one. Simple click on the download button. If you think it's a little hard to download with 5 gigabytes, click here. Here you have another one. After download your model, go to Google Drive and AI, Models and upload your model. Upload your download models like this. I'm already uploaded, just show. Here I'm using Google Collaboratory. Open Google Chrome and paste the Deforum notebook link. Click on GitHub and click on Open in Colab. Here the interface of Deforum notebook. First you have to click on 3 lines and click on File and click on Save, Copy to Drive. After click on Connect button. After it's connected, go to 3 lines. Click on Show File Browser. Click Drive symbol. Click this one. Connect your Google Drive. Give allow access to your Google Drive. After you have to run the cells one by one. And here you have changed this one, Models Checkpoint. Here you have a lot of models. You can use it, but you can choose Model Checkpoint into Custom. Click 3 lines and go to Show File Browser. Go to Drive or My Drive or AI or Models. Choose your model, click 3 dots, and click Copy Path. Paste it here like this. Run the cell. Set your animation into 3D mode. I will give 600 frames for my video. You will give how much you need. Here you can give motion parameters of your video. I have my own motion parameters. I'm simple copy and paste it here. If you want to learn deeply about motion parameters, check out this video link in description. Change the diffusion shadings into 2. Both will give 120. Run the cell. Here you have a prompts section. Drag and remove everything like this. If I can use ChatGPT for prompts, open and type like this and give some example prompts and instructions to ChatGPT. Give how much frames you want. Give a description of your image. Simple copy this. Paste it here. Like this. Give some negative prompts like this. And run the cell. Here you can give weight and height of your init image frame. Sampler Euler A. Steps 30. Give a name what you like. I will give here like this jungle. Put a tick mark here. Strength 0.8. Click on 3 lines and go to Show File Browser. Click Init Images and click 3 dots and copy path of your image. Paste it here. Run the cell. Here you can see your overriding every frame like this. After completing all frames, here remove this tick mark. Set FPS into 25. Run the 2 cells. Go to your Google Drive, go to AI Stable Diffusion 20307 Jungle. Scroll down to last. Here is your video. Click 3 dots and up, and download your video. Open CapCut. Go to your previous video. Import downloaded video. Add some song. Save your video.